Okay, here we are at our litter. Here we have, there's one, there's two, three, and four. Four little mini Rex. Looks like two opals and two casters, but it's kind of hard to tell. They're only some hours old. I'm not quite sure how many. But there they are. Born today, July 8th, 2010. I'll have to tell Lisa. Oh, look at that. Mama did a good job. Oops, sorry. Mama did a good job of taking care of them. I'll show you how small they are. I'm going to pick one up. Hold it in my hand. Okay, that's how small it is. In the palm of my hand. Well, I'm trying to get in the palm of my hand. It's kind of hard to work one-handed. There you go. This is one of the little opals. I'll put it back in here. There you go. Mom didn't pull hair. She pulled hair. She didn't pull a lot of hair because it is a little hot. But there they are. Look at the little ears. And okay, there's Mom. Here, checking out that nest box because I had it out for a few minutes. But there she is. There she is. There's the mama girl. Ah, yeah, she's gonna stretch out. Okay.